Hi, did you know that Geely is one of the biggest car companies in China and can manufacture more than 2 million cars in a year? If you've heard of some supercar brands like Lotus or Polestar or Volvo, then you need to know that all these companies are owned by Mr. Shufu, who is also the chairman for Geely Auto. He's also listed on the Forbes as one of the wealthiest people in the world with a net worth of over 25 billion US dollars. He is the owner of Geely Holdings, which owns multiple brands like Volvo, Lotus, Polestar, and also one listed company in Hong Kong by the name of Geely Automobiles, which is listed as 175.hk. This company went public in 2005, and this particular company has brands like Geometry, which focuses on electric vehicles, as well as Zeekr, which focuses on premium electric brands, as well as Lynk, which is a joint venture between the group and Volvo Car Corporation. They also own the Geely brand of cars, and this is how some of their models look like. They have about 10 models in SUVs and about 7 models in sedans. Under New Energy, they have 4 models and 1 model under MPV. In terms of their business size, they are considered among the 4th biggest car manufacturing company in China, selling more than 100,000 cars per month. They have about 11 manufacturing plants in China with a total capacity of about 2 million cars per year. They have about 996 dealers for Geely and 237 dealers for Geometry, including 16 delivery centers for Zeekr and about 324 centers for Lynk. In terms of technology, they focus on G Pilot, which focuses on autonomous driving, and they have the GQE technology, which focuses on connecting the cars via the app. They also have the InTech technology, which works on humanized intelligence and focuses on interior environment and autonomous driving for the vehicles. This is how some of their future concept cars look like. And in terms of business, 90% of their business happens in China, but they also do business out of Europe, Malaysia, as well as the Middle East. They have spent a staggering 5.5 billion renminbi in 2021 alone on research and development. This is how their 5-year chart look like, and they have a market cap of about 167 billion Hong Kong dollars, which is about 20 billion US dollars, with a PE ratio of 29.92. Their revenue has been flat at about 100 billion for the last 5 years, and their EBITDA is about 4.3 billion renminbi. In terms of analyst recommendations, they have about 34 analysts cover the stock, out of which 25 have a strong buy or a buy rating. Their average consensus of the stock stands at 19.29, and the stock is trading around 16. Competition stocks include companies like Li Auto, BYD, China Automotive, and Brilliance China. I hope you liked the video. I have also made a video for BYD, for which I'll share a link in the description below. I've also made more than 40 videos of various companies which are globally present, and I hope you can see them as well. I'll share a link in the description, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.